Good morning, guys. It's Flawless Pete, the trader here. So, this is my analysis on NZD card, and I'm going to show you analysis on other ones for the week ahead. Now, this is not clear from monthly. We have it that NZD card is majorly downtrending. Let's just check it out. It's on a downtrend from the monthly time frame, as you can see. Now we go to the weekly. This is just top-down analysis. You see that it's also downtrending. If I should put a trend line here, you're going to see that. And then we go to the daily. We want to catch the most immediate trend. So it happened to touch this resistance over here, and then it bounced off, came here, bounced off. After reaching this demand level, it went up, and then it formed liquidity over here. And from 4-hour time frame, we get to see that price is actually beginning to come down. It's about to give us a market structure shift to the downside, which means it will be going back down. That's what it looks like anyway. I have my trend line here to confirm the market structure shift when it does happen. And then when we go into the 1-hour time frame, we discover this. We discover that market has already given us a market structure shift over here, and then market structure break over here. So I'm waiting for it to give me full confirmation by breaking this trend line, and then I'll be confident to enter the trade. So let me just mark this. This will be another low. I'll be expecting a takeoff next week. Let's see if it does happen next week. I'll be expecting a takeout of this low. NZD doesn't have any imperative news coming up next week. Card, I don't think he has, but if it does, it's not much. USD has most of the news expectations. So now let's go to and whenever stuff like this is being formed, it just tells me that market is going to be tricky and is more likely to go the opposite direction than for it to go to this direction. This liquidity formed over here is for grabs later on, not now, but already before the week ended. Guys, I'm talking about the 8th. This is 8th, which is Saturday of March, before Friday ended, before market closed on Friday. NZD card already gave us market structure shift and market structure break. So from next week, I'll be waiting for it to break this trend line, and then I can join the trade from here over to this point, because that's my anticipation. Next week is going to be free for it. Let me check how many pips we can actually realize. You can realize about 167 pips. So that's it on NZD card. Now let's check something else, like Euro CHF. Let's see what's going on there. So this is Euro CHF. Let's see what's going on here from higher time frames first, and then we'll continue. Wow. Okay guys, so this is what I'm seeing from my higher time frame. Let's start from the monthly as we usually do. So from monthly we can see this. We can see that price majorly is downtrending, is a downtrend structure from the monthly. Weekly, let's see what we have. In weekly, it's also downtrending, but it seems like it got to a resistance level and then it went back up, so it's more like in a range. And then now from daily we are seeing the picture clearer. So when it got to this resistance level, it pushed back up, go here, push back up and broke this particular level of range it has been, and now it seems like it's coming back to this range. It's coming back to this level, so it will break this zone here, get here, break here, and likely come back here and look for a way to start breaking it downwards to follow its overall trend with time. So as a swing trader, what I'll be looking out for, that is if my prediction should come out as expected, because it has been over. But to be honest, just imagine from all the way here to here, you has been buying non-stop, not even making any pullbacks. It has been buying, so now it's making pullbacks. It's like it wants to go back to align with the market structure. So I can see from 1 hour time frame that already made market structure shift from here, but I indicated it from here. I have my reasons. And then he made something like a market structure break here, just packing liquidity, consolidating, which I'm expecting for it from next week to break this zone and then come over here. This is my anticipation for Euro CHF next week. Price is finally going to break next week, so let's see how it goes. This is my anticipation. And then when it comes over here, we'll be running how many pips? Let me confirm. Swing trade, this is just a swing opportunity I'm looking for. So if say we should end here 50 something pips, but no, it should be my TP1, then here my TP2 if I should continue the trade. So we'll be running over 129 pips, eventually 30 pips. So this is my expectation for Euro CHF. As you already know, maybe you don't know much because I mostly incorporate smart money strategy, but what I originally do is incorporate both price action and smart money strategy, which I'm beginning to do now again, because I noticed that smart money has not been giving me a lot of what I need, and from my back testing of price action, it has been working well for me, though it doesn't work all the time. There is no strategy that is a holy grail. My smart money also works. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but it's also not a holy grail. But with the combination of both, as I used to do, I believe it will come out better for me. So here we have liquidity that needs to be taken. The liquidity here has been taken already, which is giving me a strong indication that market is coming down. So when market comes down, I know when it breaks here, it will definitely come down here. And when it comes down here, I'll be targeting from this level, because there is also liquidity over here market will need to fill. So this is my anticipation for next week. Sellers are already in the market. Look at them over here. Brought the price down from being highly bought here. It's just coming down. So this is my anticipation. And sorry guys, I've not been able to be on, give you guys what you need, create more content, help myself grow too. Why? Is because of my phone and some experiences I'm going through here. So my phone fell last week. I was supposed to make a content, and then the screen got scattered and everything. I think, or I hope I'll still be able to make videos together and show you guys all about it. So this is my anticipation for Euro JPY. I was anticipating that it was going to play out this week that just ended, but it didn't. And now it seems like sellers are in a way in it. But there's something about Euro JPY I do not like, is that the JPY pairs are ranging a lot. It was ranging, yes, seriously, until it broke it, came back down, got to this my price action zone, went up all the way up. Then now I've been waiting for it to come to this level so I can take a buy and go long, but it's been relenting. As you can see, it made like it was about coming down, making again like it's going back up, but I'm being patient. When it comes down here, I'll be anticipating for a buy. Why is that? I'll show you. Let's take it from the daily time frame. No, let's take it from 4 hours, but I'll show you why. So from 4 hours, you see something here. You notice that price has got to this point. It made a rejection. Go here, also made a rejection. Go here, made rejection. Go here, and is always reacting to this point. So my guess is that institutional level have interest in this particular zone. So when price comes here, I'll be expecting a reaction, whether it's going to go back up or it's going to break it and then go all the way down, and then I'll make my decision from there whether to buy or not to buy. So that's it for this, guys. And as for this, I'll leave it as this for now. JPY pairs are tricky to trade. So peace, trade safe, take care of yourself, guys. Flawless Speed the Trader.